Now let's take a look at returning items. Under Fulfillment, select Return Items. All you have to do here is scan or type the barcode into the box labeled Scan Item Barcode. The returned book will appear in the list below. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the list to make sure that everything is being checked back in correctly. If an alert pops up, for example this one, informing me that this book needs to be put on display, you will need to close out of the alert before you can continue returning items. Sometimes patrons use books in our library but don't check them out. However, we still want to note that these books were used so that we can keep track of which books were most useful to our patrons. So instead of returning these items, go under the Fulfillment menu and select Scan In Items. Make sure that the box labeled Register In-House Use is checked and simply scan the item barcode. To keep things easy, keep that box checked at all times. The Scan In Items page has several other uses as well. If you find a book that is damaged, you can submit a repair request. Under the Work Order Type menu, select Bindery and Repair. Scan the barcode and put the book aside to be brought down to tech services and evaluated. If you cannot find a book that should be available in the library, you can also use the Scan In Items menu to mark items as missing. Under Work Order Type, select Missing Items. Make sure the status is set to 1 missing and that Done is set to No. If you know the barcode, you can enter it into the Scan Item Barcode box. If you don't know the barcode, you can look it up. Click the list icon to the right of the Scan Item Barcode box and type the title of the item into the search bar and hit Enter. Once you're confident that you've found the correct book, select it and Alma will input its barcode for you. Click OK and Alma will mark that book status as missing. This lets library staff know that they need to try to find this book or else consider purchasing a new copy. It also marks the book as not available in our library catalog. If you find a book that was marked missing, you'll follow the same process to mark it as found. Once again, go to Scan In Items and select Missing Items as the work order type. But this time, set Done to Yes. Then scan the item barcode and hit OK. This will take the book off the missing items list and let users know that it is once again available.